Have you left it too late to sort out your Halloween costume? Cost of living crisis got you broke? What are you going to do? No money, no hope. But wait, I have an idea. Here are 11 things that you already have in your home that you can use this Halloween, starting off with Play-Doh. Number 1. What can you do with Play-Doh, I hear you cry? Smell the nostalgia of childhood? No, not just that. You can use it as a basis for prosthetics. So if you want to create a large nose or a large chin, like I did when I did the Grand High Witch from The Witches, you can use this clay as a very lightweight, easy way of creating a base for your prosthetics. Number 2, your hair conditioner. Good old hair conditioner, great for making your hair all nice and soft and sweet smelling. But wait, you can use it in your Halloween makeups as well. It's great for making dry hair look really grungy and nasty for zombie and witch effects. Perfect. Number 3, honey or golden syrup. Either will work. They're not just great on your porridge, they're also great for making fake blood. Use it as a base for your fake blood, mix it with some food colouring, and Bob's your uncle, you have got some great looking fake blood. And bonus, it's edible, as you can see in this bloody donut I'm eating here. Nice. Number 4, talcum powder. Now, one thing I do need to say, if you're using talcum powder, don't do what I'm doing here. Make sure you use a mask because it's not good for your lungs, but it is great for creating white hair like this library ghost look I did. Toilet roll. Now, this may have been an extremely valuable commodity during lockdown, but now everybody has toilet roll hanging around. And did you know it's great for creating torn skin effects and cuts? You just peel the top layer from the bottom layer, stick it on, and there you go. Done. Number 6, eyelash glue. Now, eyelash glue is great for sticking down the toilet paper from the last tip, and it's also great for creating scars and small cuts, especially duo, which is latex based. And let's face it, most of us have eyelash glue hanging around if we are into makeup. To create a raised effect, simply paint the glue on, let it dry, and then colour it, and there you go. Number 7, liquid lipstick. Now, liquid lipstick is great for creating blood effects, and the one bonus is that it dries on your skin, so you won't be leaving blood everywhere when you go out on Halloween. Perfect. Number 8 is lip gloss. This is great for creating wet looks, like the wet inside of this lovely wound. And number 9 is eyeshadow. Now, eyeshadow is great for shading and creating depth. I use it a lot on this zombie look. Incidentally, I also use lip gloss to create the wet look on the zombie mouth. Number 10 is bananas. Now, what on earth can you use bananas for in makeup, I hear you cry? Well, pus, quite simply. All you need to do is mash it up and you can create a lovely realistic looking pus for great makeup such as this botched surgery, the lovely plague doctor, and this juicy looking zombie bite. Now, number 11 and our final tip is cereal. What are you going to do with cereal? Well, actually, it's the box that we're after. Cardboard is great for creating 3D appendages like this bunny ear on my corpse husband look. And are we done? No, we've got a bonus tip. Now, the bonus tip is flour. Now, this is a bonus tip for a reason, because you do need latex as well, which not many people have because it is a special effects supply, but it's quite easily readily available. So I thought I'd add this tip in just in case you want to create some prosthetics. You just mix the latex with the flour to create a paste and you can make your own prosthetics. There are full tutorials for all of the looks shown here on my channel. I will list them down below. Have a great Halloween and be spooky. Thanks for watching.